Okay.
I'm not signing nothing.
Okay.
I've been through the system, buddy. I know how it
you
works.
have. I know you have.
You're
Jeff.
not my friend.
Yes,
All
you-
you're trying to get is some stupid ass confession, and you're not gonna get one.
आखिर कैसे जो पुलिस अच्छों से उनके क्राइम कन्फेस करा लेती है, उस पुलिस को इस आदमी ने लिटरली रुला दिया। तो ये कहानी शुरू होती है साल 2011 में, जब पुलिस एक रोबरी केस में इस आदमी को पकड़ लेती है, लेकिन उनके पास इसके खिलाफ कोई भी वैलिड एविडेंस नहीं होता। एंड हाँ, बाय द वे, पुलिस को इसके पास से एक गन भी मिलती है, इसीलिए वो उसको इंटेरोगेट करने के लिए अरेस्ट कर लेते हैं, जो कि शायद उनकी बहुत बड़ी आगे जाकर गलती बन जाती है। तो इस वीडियो में तुम्हें पता चलेगा कि आखिर कैसे पुलिस क्रिमिनल से उनके क्राइम कन्फेस करा लेती है। और हाँ, जिन इंटेरोगेशन फुटेजेस को मैं आज तुम्हें दिखाऊंगा, उन्हें लिटरली इस आदमी ने अपने YouTube चैनल पर अपलोड कर रखी है। तो फुटेज शुरू होती है एक छोटे से कमरे से, जहाँ पर हमें इस कहानी का मेन कैरेक्टर जेफ दिखता है।
Am I under arrest?
For now.
I'm under arrest?
Yeah, I'll explain everything, but before I explain myself to you, before we talk to each other, I need to read your rights, okay?
What am I under arrest for?
Well, like I said, I need to read your rights first. Obviously, the charge is robbery, okay?
जेफ इमीडिएटली पूछता है कि उसे किस बेसिस पर अरेस्ट किया गया है। बिकॉज इफ यू आर नॉट अरेस्टेड देन यू कैन सिंपली लीव, बट इफ यू आर बीइंग अरेस्टेड देन यू कैन आस्क फॉर ए लॉयर। लेकिन तभी वो जेफ को मिरांडा रूल्स एक्सप्लेन करता है।
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we question you. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer and you want one, a lawyer will be provided for you. If you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you'll still have the right to stop answering questions at any time. Does that make sense? You've probably heard these before, haven't you?
बेसिकली अकॉर्डिंग टू यूएस लॉज, पुलिस को इंटेरोगेशन शुरू करने से पहले सस्पेक्ट्स को उनके इन 3 लीगल राइट्स के बारे में बताना होता है। लेकिन वो जेफ को एक बात नहीं बताते कि अगर वो लॉयर की डिमांड करता है देन दे आर नॉट अलाउड टू क्वेश्चन हिम।
Do you understand your rights? Do you understand your rights, Jeff? Yes or no? You understand?
We're getting paid more than you are, so we can sit here for a long time, man.
I just need you to answer me yes or no. Do you understand your rights? Let's get through that question. Do you understand what I read you? Do you comprehend what I read you?
तो यहाँ पर जेफ अपने पहले राइट का यूज करता है, विच इज दैट ही हैज द राइट टू रिमेन साइलेंट, क्योंकि जेफ को पता था पुलिस के पास उसके खिलाफ कोई भी सॉलिड एविडेंस नहीं है। लेकिन अगर वो कुछ बोलेगा तो पुलिस उसे ही उसके खिलाफ कोर्ट में यूज करेगी।
If you got something that says you didn't do this robbery, this is your chance to talk to us.
Okay, good cop.
No, usually I'm the prick.
You look like a prick.
I am.
I'm not asking if you want to talk to me at this point. I just want to know, do you understand what I read to you?
So am I under arrest?
Yes, you're under arrest.
Get me back to the cell. I don't talk to you motherfuckers.
Okay, we're done.
लेकिन 2 घंटे के बाद जेफ को फिर से इंटेरोगेशन रूम में लाया जाता है।
You wanted a Coke?
Yeah.
You gonna be able to pop it open, or you need me to?
I need methadone.
You need methadone?
Yeah, you get me that methadone? Yeah.
I don't have any. Do you have medication for it, or a prescription for it? Or?
Yeah.
What do you need methadone for?
Cause I'm a fucking junkie and you guys, I can't get no methadone. I'm gonna go through withdrawal here in a minute.
क्योंकि जेफ एक ड्रग एडिक्ट था, इसीलिए वो इस फुटेज में जिस ड्रग की डिमांड करता है उसे यूज किया जाता है ड्रग करने की क्रेविंग्स को कम करने के लिए।
How long you been using heroin?
Long time, buddy.
10 years? 15 years?
I hardly been alive that long. What are you trying to talk to me about here?
Talk to you about what happened last night. Look, here's the deal. Either you're in a bad set of circumstances, or you went and committed an armed robbery last night.
Yeah,
All right?
I'm in a shitty, wrong place at wrong time, obviously. I didn't commit no fucking armed robbery.
All right, then let's talk about this. Let's
I
not
don't have
keep
nothing.
up
I
the
don't
act.
talk to the police, man.
जेफ की नजरों में उसे एक ऐसे क्राइम के लिए अरेस्ट किया गया था जो कि उसने कभी किया ही नहीं था, इसीलिए वो वहां से निकलना चाहता था। लेकिन बाद में जेफ बताता है कि कैसे पुलिस उसे अलग अलग टेक्निक्स यूज करके जेफ को क्राइम कन्फेस करने के लिए फोर्स कर रही थी। सो वन ऑफ द मेन टेक्निक्स दैट दे यूज्ड ऑन जेफ इज कॉल्ड रीड टेक्निक, एक ऐसी टेक्निक जिसने 1955 में एक इनोसेंट हस्बैंड को उसी की बीवी के मर्डर का फेक कन्फेशन देने पर मजबूर कर दिया था।
Tell me what happened last night. Plain and simple. Your side of the story.
I'm not talking to you. I'm warning you.
All right. This is
I
what I
told
don't
you this was-
understand.
I told you
I know,
this was
but this is
gonna
what I don't understand, Jeff. You were sitting there talking just like you were ready to sit here and tell me what happened last night, and then all of a sudden I read that to you and you screw it, I ain't talking to you. I want a lawyer. I don't understand that. What changed just in the...
Because I told you what, I already told you what happened.
You didn't.
How didn't I?
You didn't tell me what happened last night.
How didn't I
But-
just tell you what?
But now you've handcuffed me, and I can't talk to you because you've asked for an
Well,
attorney.
right.
So, okay, that's fine. But I will tell you right now, you're still on a hold for a robbery.
I know. I don't know why. I need a fucking lawyer because obviously I didn't do nothing. And obviously you guys know I didn't do nothing because I've been arrested for the same bullshit before and you guys don't interview me this much. So, wham bam, thank you for the coke, put me back in the cell.
We
That's
haven't
my home.
interviewed you yet.
Finally, इतनी लंबी इंटेरोगेशन के बाद जेफ आस्क्ड फॉर ए लॉयर एंड रिफ्यूज्ड टू आंसर एनी क्वेश्चन। लेकिन पुलिस वालों की सभी टेक्निक्स वेस्ट होने के बाद अब वो जेफ को डराना शुरू कर देते हैं।
Here's what the deal is. I have enough evidence
Like what?
of the armed robbery, okay? But, you know, if you're saying you didn't do it, you need to give me your side of the story.
I didn't do it.
Okay, well, give me your side of the story. You got, convince me. Because I got a lot of evidence. I got a lot of physical evidence.
Well, like what? Name the
Well, I don't need to, why should I tell you that?
लेकिन इतने सारे एलिगेशन लगने के बाद भी जेफ अगले 4 मिनटों तक सारे एलिगेशंस को डिनाई करता रहता है।
I'm done, man. Fuck this. I'm not even answering. All this shit that I just said is gonna be fucking written in the discovery now, right?
What? You haven't said nothing.
I mean, every little stupid thing that you've asked me, dude, is gonna be in the discovery.
I'm not even going to do discovery.
The prosecutor is.
Okay. So, I mean, you halfway know the system, how things work, and you halfway don't. Am I right?
I half-ass know
Yeah.
that the only reason I came up here is to get a fucking Coke.
Okay.
And I got it. But now I want a Butterfinger.
But that's not going to happen for a while.
What, the Butterfinger?
Yeah.
Why not? I need to go to the hospital. I'm coughing up blood. Let's go to the hospital.
पिछले कुछ घंटों से पुलिस एक ऐसे आदमी को इंटेरोगेट कर रही थी who was clearly in pain. They also denied his medication. सबसे important point, they arrested him without any solid evidence. At last उसे finally पुलिस छोड़ देती है due to lack of evidence. तुम्हें क्या लगता है, क्या किसी इंसान को बिना एविडेंस के अरेस्ट करना एंड उसे क्राइम कन्फेस कराने के लिए लिटरली फोर्स करना सही था? टेल मी इन द कमेंट्स। जब तक के लिए बाय।